Hi, in this video, I'm going to explain about the most important concept of OOPs, which is inheritance. So let's start by defining what is inheritance. Inheritance basically which allows a class to inherit all the methods and properties from another class. So that is a basic definition of inheritance. So let's dive into the code and let's see what an inheritance does. So let's create a class which is A and which has a method, let's say method 1, and it takes a self parameter and which prints self method in method 1 in A. Okay, so we'll move on to class B now, which has a method which is method 2. So print method 2 in B. Okay, so I've created a few classes here which has each method within itself. Okay, I've created two methods for each. Next we'll create a object for class B equal to, say I've created an object, and if I do B dot, it is showing only method 2 for me. As per inheritance, as per the definition of inheritance, we have to inherit the method of class A. So how will you inherit? Using brackets A. So this is how it will inherit the method 1 into class B. Okay, so if I do B dot again, see it is showing two methods now. Okay, this is what called as a single inheritance. Okay, this is called as a single inheritance. So let's print method 2 and we'll call method 1. Okay, you can see method 2 in B and method 1 in A. So this is how a single inheritance works. We have two more methods in inheritance, which is multi-level as well as multiple. So as of now, what we have seen is the single inheritance. So I'll comment this out and I'll type it as single inheritance. Okay. Okay, this is called as a single inheritance. I'll comment this out and we'll create another method which is multiple, sorry, multi-level inheritance. Okay, this is the second method in inheritance, and in this method we'll copy all the above classes instead of typing all those things. Okay, I'll type this, no problem. I'll type it faster. Okay, class A colon, and we have a method which is method 3, which takes self parameter, and this is method 3. Okay, and class B has a method which is method 4, which takes a self parameter, print this is method 4. Okay, so B inherits A, so class B inherits class A, and we'll create another class which is class C, which inherits class B. Okay, so that is what multi-level inheritance does. It will inherit the class B. Okay, we'll create a method for class C, method 5, self print this is method 5. Okay, so So what object you have to create here? You have to create the object of C. Okay, C equal to C. Okay, C dot. You can see it is inheriting 3, 4, 5. It is inheriting all the methods from class A, class B, as well as class C. So if you call them C dot method 4, C dot method 5, and if you run it, before running, let's clear this out. And if you run it, you can see it is printing all the methods from all the classes. So this is what a multi-level inheritance does. Uh, so multi-level works when the class B inherits class A and class C inherits class B. So B inherits A and C inherits B. Okay. So this is how a multi-level inheritance works. And let's copy all these things for the next method. Instead of writing it again, I'm copying this out. Okay. Now we'll see multiple inheritance, which is the third method. Okay. And I'll comment this out. And multiple inheritance, I'll copy all those things. Okay. In multiple inheritance, the only change is you don't need to inherit class A, and you have to inherit class A as well as class B from class C. Okay, so that is what multiple inheritance does. C inherits class A and class B. Okay, and I'll create a method here which is method 5. Method 5 self print. Oh, it is already there. Okay, method 5 is already available. Okay, this is method 5. So I'll create the object of class C. Okay, C inherits both A and B. So this is called as multiple inheritance. C equal to C object. Okay, C dot method 4. C dot, you can see all the methods here. This is method 3 and C dot method 5. Okay, if I run it, you can see again 3 methods are executing. So this is what all about inheritance. Okay, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this.